Okay, these are the postulates for section 1.3, and as a matter of fact, there's only one of them. It's postulate 1-6, and it's a very important postulate. It's one that you will use quite often throughout the year. It is the segment addition postulate, and one of the things that you will hear me talk about a lot with segment addition postulate is part plus part equals whole. Okay, part plus part equals whole. Something you want to write down in your notes discussing the segment addition postulate. But let's talk about what the actual postulate says. It says here, if 3 points A, B, and C are collinear, if you remember in your vocabulary, collinear means that those 3 points, A, B, and C, are on the same line. Okay, and B is between A and C. Okay, so B is between the points A and C. Then segment AB plus segment BC is equal to the distance of segment AC. So let's go over here and look at the picture. You see in the picture you have point A and point C, and point B is between them. But you'll notice that B is not right in the middle. Okay, so what this says here is if I take from A to B, right here, that's one part of the whole segment, okay? And I add that to segment BC from B to C, that's the other part of the whole segment. If I add those two parts together, it gives me the whole thing. Okay? So part plus part equals whole. From point A to point B, if I take that and I add that to segment B to C, and I add that together, if I add those two things together, it's going to give me the whole segment. Okay, so this is the segment addition postulate, postulate 1-6, and this is the only postulate for section 1.3.